In Revit, doors and windows are hosted elements. They can only be placed inside walls. They define openings and add realistic details to your building model. To start, go to the Architectural tab, then click Door, or use the shortcut D+R. In the Properties palette, choose a door type, for example, Single Vision Light 750 x 2000 mm. Click on a wall to place the door. You can flip the swing direction or opening side by moving your cursor before placing it. To modify the door, select it and use the temporary dimensions to position it accurately from corners or adjacent walls. You can also change the size or type in the Properties palette. Next, to add windows, go to the Architectural tab, click Window, or use the shortcut W+N. Select a window type, such as fixed 600 by 900 millimeters, and place it on a wall. Check the sill height in the Properties palette to make sure the window is at the correct level, for example, 900 millimeters. If you don't see all details, go to the View control bar at the bottom and set the detail level to Fine. You will notice that door and window frames, glass, and opening details appear clearly.